Hello, I'm Vincent from the local interior, and I'm the designer of this 4-room resale flat in Queenstown. The main thing the homeowners wanted was for this house to be bright and airy. However, they also asked for pops of colors as they love playing games and wanted their space to reflect that. So after some discussion, we decided on a contemporary black and white theme. For colour, we included some arcade influence since they tend to be lively and have a lot of personality. Before we took over, the original layout was pretty much untouched, but since we wanted to make the house feel bigger, we demolished the wall between the kitchen and the living room, as well as the one between the service yard and the kitchen to open up the space. While the communal area is mostly black and white, we created this navy feature wall to add a pop of color. We chose this particular shade as it's not only vibrant, but it's also dark enough to create a cozy vibe. The entertainment room is definitely the highlight of this house. As entertainment rooms tend to be fun and lively, we decided to experiment with the color scheme. To be very honest, the idea of this on-air feature wall came to me while I was drunk. Even though the logistic was going to be quite troublesome, I knew that this design was the one. To make it, we used a combination of subway tiles and black tiles. The tricky things was the measurements, since we needed to cut out rounded edges and ensure that everything fits together. Overall, it took us about 3 to 4 days to fully put this design together, but I think it turns out very nicely. Compared to the rest of the house, the master bedroom is much simpler. To make it cozier, we went with an industrial look with a black and white theme to match the communal areas. This bay window area wasn't actually created by us. It's part of the house's existing structure. And since we couldn't remove it, we thought that the best way was to turn into a sitting area where the owners can drink tea and coffee. Each bathroom has a different vibe. For the common bathroom, we wanted it to complement the living room and entertainment rooms, so we went with terrazzo floors and bright orange and yellow wall tiles for something fun. In contrast, the master bathroom has a darker, luxurious vibe that matches the master bedroom. Here, we went with the textured wall tiles as I think they add an organic feel to the space. Overall, I would say that this house has one of the more unique concepts. Obviously, I never done something like this on-air sign before, so this particular project was quite challenging. But at the same time, it was also a very interesting experience, and I think the end result is quite cool.